April Fool's Surprise. In the little town of Pranksters Hollow, the arrival of April 1st was met with a mixture of excitement and trepidation. The townspeople knew that this was no ordinary day, it was the day when pranks, gags, and surprises ruled supreme. And in Pranksters Hollow, they took their April Fool's Day celebrations very seriously. Evelyn, the mischievous baker, had been planning her grand prank for weeks. She had a reputation to uphold, after all. Her bakery, Sweet Deceptions, was famous for its delectable pastries and cakes, but it was equally renowned for the hidden surprises within. Customers never knew what they'd find, a squirt of whipped cream, a confetti explosion, or even a tiny toy frog, when they bit into their treats. This year, Evelyn had something special in mind. She spent hours concocting a batch of cupcakes that looked innocent enough on the outside, pastel-colored swirls of frosting adorned with delicate sugar flowers. But inside each cupcake was a tiny edible firecracker. When bitten into, it would emit a harmless puff of smoke, surprising and delighting the unsuspecting victim. As the sun rose on April 1st, Evelyn arranged her cupcakes in the bakery display. She couldn't wait to see the reactions of her customers. The bell above the door tinkled, and in walked Mr. Thompson, the town's grumpy librarian. He ordered a coffee and a cupcake, eyeing the display suspiciously. Evelyn handed him the cupcake with a sly smile. "Freshly baked," she said. Mr. Thompson took a cautious bite, and the cupcake exploded in a cloud of purple smoke. His bushy eyebrows shot up, and he coughed, trying to wave away the mist. The other customers burst into laughter, and even Mr. Thompson cracked a smile. "April Fools," Evelyn said, wiping tears of mirth from her eyes. But Evelyn's prank was just the beginning. Throughout the day, the townspeople played tricks on one another. Mayor Higgins found his office chair replaced with a whoopee cushion, and the local postman discovered that his mailbag was filled with rubber chickens. Even the town's beloved Grandma Edna got in on the fun, pretending to lose her dentures during her morning walk. As the sun dipped below the horizon, the townspeople gathered in the central square for the annual April Fool's Parade. Floats adorned with glittering streamers and oversized clown shoes rolled down the cobblestone streets. Children in oversized glasses and fake mustaches tossed confetti at the crowd. And a marching band played cheerful tunes on kazoo and slide whistle. And then, at the stroke of midnight, the grand finale arrived, a giant piñata shaped like a grinning jester. The townspeople took turns swinging at it with broomsticks, hoping to unleash a cascade of candy and surprises. When the piñata finally burst open, out tumbled miniature rubber chickens, whoopee cushions, and tiny confetti cannons. The laughter echoed through Pranksters Hollow, and for a brief moment, all worries were forgotten. April Fool's Day had worked its magic, bringing joy and camaraderie to the town. As Evelyn watched the festivities, she couldn't help but feel a warm glow in her heart. Maybe it wasn't just about pranks and surprises. It was about connecting with others, sharing laughter, and celebrating the sheer delight of being alive. And so, in the heart of Pranksters Hollow, April Fool's Day became more than a day of tricks. It became a reminder that sometimes, the best surprises were the ones that brought people together. And as the clock struck midnight, Evelyn made a silent wish. May the spirit of April Fools live on forever, filling the world with laughter and unexpected joy. And so ends our tale from Pranksters Hollow, where every day was a celebration of whimsy and wonder. If you ever find yourself passing through, be sure to visit Sweet Deceptions and try one of Evelyn's infamous cupcakes. You never know what delightful surprise awaits.